No, he has to work punch the speed for punch. And walk around and make some points.
We are talking a 30-kilo difference.
He better know some swijaw.
And in the next fight, you're going to see this same weight class and a guy I've been waiting to see since I got here.
Yeah.
So I want to see who wins this and how this heavy class is going to go. And Argentina looking light on his feet for how big he is, but whoa!
Wow.
Oh, and
wasn't it beautiful?
Wow, so they're calling red off platform though because he had to put his feet down. Wow. You said he better know some shuaijiao. I think he does know some shuaijiao. BG,
I've been around. I've been around.
Psychic. This Argentinian fighter is massive. I want to see what his strikes look like though. Big. Wow.
But that is how you fight against somebody heavier than you. You change the direction.
Blue fighter down first. So the 3 instances of down, even though Turkmenistan made a little mistake going off, have actually been initiated through Turkmenistan, the lighter fighter, by 30 kilos, right? And redirection for 2 points. This can be the problem. Can you keep you're bigger, can you keep your balance? And I like this kicking low. Sometimes a leg kick on these big guys can be dangerous because they're holding so much weight on those knees, right? They can't check as easily. They can't pick their foot up as fast. So Turkmenistan's being nimble and using leverage and balance.
Yes.
Argentina is using
nice kick to the body.
Yeah, beautiful. And again, redirecting. Argentina is behind his feet when he's driving forward.
Yes.
His feet are behind him. And that's why he's so easily spun. He can't change his direction.
Short steps.
Yes. That's the problem. Once he gets his momentum going, it's hard to change direction. He's like a big oil tanker ship, right? Oh, but a big overhand right. And Red realizes he can punch too, so he throws some shots in there to give it back. Oh, and no points. I hear the Argentinian crowd is pretty big here. You can understand down here, Argentina is going to have a big turnout.
Los hermanos are always around here, man. I like him.
I've been to Argentina twice, and I love that country. We love you, Argentina. And Argentina gets a takedown for 1 point.
Good punch.
The chance of injury when they are colliding at this size, too, a knee, a knockout, right? Anything can happen. A rolled ankle with this size can be a fight ending. We saw Red switch his stance, Turkmenistan, so he could make his cross a jab, right? And that was a good idea. He landed clean, but he's got to watch those shots. But he finished with that right hand again. And an inner thigh kick and a 1-2.
Red really knows how to fight this fight, man. He's been a master.
Letting him come to him and use his speed. And Argentina looks tired. His hands are down.
Nice kick.
A big kick. Oh, I want to see the replay on that one. That was facing away from us. Absolutely no doubt.
Yes,
Turkmenistan.
Pretty clear to me
also. Winner of the first round, red side.
Looks like the whole family likes to eat.
And we're seeing some replay here. Look at that redirection. Don't try to stop the bull. Be the matador, right? What do I want to grab him by the horns and pick him up? No, I want to move to the side.
Isn't it the essence of shuaijiao?
Yeah, yeah. I want to see that kick at the end here. I think this is it. Let's see it on this side. We have bang, and he got up into the face with that one, I think.
That's going to hurt tomorrow.
Yeah. But also, hats off to Argentina's chin. 108 kilo man just threw a shin kick to your face. Thank you, everybody in our chat, blowing up the chat. We got our Argentinian fans showing their support for their 137-kilogram monster of a fighter, but he's got an uphill battle now. He looked a little tired. Round 1, they're cleaning some of the water off. They don't want that getting all over the place.
And please, if you can understand me, hit the like button, because it's important for us to know that you're liking, you're enjoying the show, so we can keep doing our best.
Big body kick for Turkmenistan to kick it off. I like that too. You see your opponents are fatigued already. Maybe hit him in the body, make him feel it, make him tired. Yep, again with that liver kick, heavy punches. I think Turkmenistan's about to end this fight pretty soon. This is going to be 12 points if Argentina can't do something back. Good big overhand. Oh, and I think he rolled his ankle. I said this in the last round. These bigger guys, if they turn wrong, they can do so much damage under that weight. He's limping. That's it.
End of this bout.
Yep, and I agree.
Yeah, he's hurt.
You saw Argentina didn't turn around to face the coach or to the referee and raise his hands. That's what you must do. And yeah, I think his ankle's swelling already.
Medical pause.
Hopefully not broken, maybe a sprain. And again, you're that big a fighter, and he just turned wrong, and that weight, just a lot of pressure on those ligaments and tendons. He's putting some weight on it, so that makes me feel good. You know, it's not broken. Good for him. I'm telling you, Charmarat was about to end that fight on a 12-point gap as well. He was landing shots left and right. Turkmenistan saw it.
But I gotta congratulate the Argentina coach.